Optimum naturally has a wide range of magnetic drilling machines, including various models. These include models with Vario drive, gear reduction, for thread cutting, or with permanent magnets. We have selected 3 models for you in our practical test. These are the DM98F, the DM50PM, and the DM36T. The DM98F has a widely variable speed range from 100 to 3,180 revolutions per minute, a 2.2 kilowatt motor and an MT3 spindle. The machine can drill holes up to 98 millimeters in steel. The special feature of the DM50 is the movable permanent magnet, which makes it possible to attach the machine to pillars or rollers in order to drill holes in them with a drill bit. The machine has a 1.7 kilowatt motor and a 2-stage gearbox and a speed range of 100 to 7,150 revolutions. The DM36 VDE has a thread cutting device that makes it possible to change the direction of rotation from clockwise to counterclockwise at the touch of a button. The maximum drilling capacity is 36 millimeters in steel, and tapping is also possible. We have a magnetic drill for large holes and thread cutting with automatic coolant supply. As soon as the drill is placed on the material, it operates with Vario drive and the gearbox is geared down. As you can see in the Optimum range, there are magnetic drills to suit every application.